And now with the increase in cases across the country, the American Academy of Pediatrics has also released some new recommendations ahead of the upcoming school year. Fox 43's Madeline Cudahy is here now with the very latest on that.
Evan, good evening. More than 4 million children have been infected with COVID-19 in the U.S. since the start of the pandemic. That's according to the American Academy of Pediatrics. And with the highly infectious Delta variant spreading across the country, many are worried about that number climbing, and experts are issuing new guidance on masks in schools. So the AAP said in a statement it recommends masks for students ages 2 and up when school does reopen this fall, regardless of vaccination status. The leading pediatric organization in the U.S. noting most school-age children are not yet eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine. Dr. Anthony Fauci said today these recommendations are what he calls an extra step.
When you have a degree of viral dynamics in the community and you have a substantial proportion of the population that is unvaccinated, that you really want to go the extra step, the extra mile to make sure that there's not a lot of transmission, even breakthrough infections among vaccinated individuals.
Now, this guidance is different from the CDC's recommendation earlier this month, which said fully vaccinated students and staff do not need to wear masks in schools. Sonja O'Leary, chair of the AAP Council on School Health, said, quote, combining layers of protection that include vaccinations, masking, and clean hand hygiene will make in-person learning safe and possible for everyone. Now, this evening, the Pennsylvania Department of Education released this statement to us at Fox 43 on mask guidance, saying in part, quote, the Pennsylvania Departments of Health and Education recommend schools follow CDC guidance. In Pennsylvania schools, administrators may adopt stricter COVID prevention strategies. So we asked you on social media if you're planning on having your child wear a mask when they return to school this fall, and you had a lot to say. So let's take a look. First, Empress LK, she tweeted at us and said, no. If I had kids in school, certainly that age, I would tell them to wear a mask. South Central Pennsylvania is going to get hammered by COVID this fall and winter. Numbers are already creeping up. That's what she tweeted to us today. Now, Janelle Miller, she wrote to us on our Fox 43 Facebook page, no, they aren't worn properly most of the time to make any difference anyway. This one from Jenna Markle, she wrote on Facebook as well, saying, I wonder how many parents can afford to miss work if their kids don't wear masks and get COVID or get exposed to it in school and can't attend for almost 2 weeks. So lots of thoughts there, lots of varying opinions, but we want to hear from you about this issue right now. Fox 43 Facebook page and Twitter. Let us know how you're feeling, your thoughts. And of course, you can read the full AAP guidance on our website as well. Madeline Cudahy, Fox 43 News.